Hey! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this Motorola. First of all, you need to find Moto App and click on it. Then select those three lines at the top left corner of it and select Personalize. Then click on Themes. But you can always just skip Moto App completely and instead hold your device's display. Then click on Personalize and tap on Themes over here. Now you can apply the best one for you by clicking on this square icon. So I will go with maybe honey. Now when I click on this icon and click on Home button, as you can see, theme of my Motorola has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings, but this time choose this plus icon on the bottom right corner and customize your theme however you wish to. For example, pick wallpaper. Then click on Fonts and select the best font style. Following that, click on Color, select Color Palette, icon shape, and even ringtone. Then name your theme over here and save it by clicking on the check mark at the bottom right corner. In order to apply it, you need to click on this icon, the square one, next to pen one. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my device was successfully customized. If you wish to, you can always go into the same settings though and click on the top left corner. Then select all of those features. For example, if you wish to change only font style, click on Fonts, tap on the best one and save your changes by tapping on the check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!